Question 1. Which of the following is known as the Princess of Hill Stations? Correct answer is B. Kodaikanal. It is in the state of Tamil Nadu and located in Palani Hills. Question 2. Who among the following is considered as the father of Carnatic music in India? Correct answer is B. Purandar Das. Question 3. Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden, which is Asia's largest tulip garden, is located in. Correct answer is C. Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Question 4. The first fully Indian bank is. Correct answer is A. Punjab National Bank. The first wholly Indian bank was set up in 1894, and is known as Punjab National Bank. Question 5. The first Khelo India University Games were organized in which of the following states? Correct answer is D. Orissa. Question 6. The Swachh Bharat mission was launched on. Correct answer is B. October 2, 2014. Question 7. Where was India's first National Museum opened? Correct answer is A. Delhi. India's first National Museum was opened in the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi on August 15, 1949, inaugurated by the Governor General of India, Shri R.C. Rajagopalachari. Question 8. Who of the following had called Subhash Chandra Bose as Desh Nayak? Correct answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 9. The contingency fund of the state is operated by. Correct answer is A. The Governor of the state. Question 10. What is the longest irrigation canal in India called? Correct answer is C. Indira Gandhi Canal. Question 11. Who wrote Unhappy India? Correct answer is B. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question 12. The first English language newspaper published in India was. Correct answer is A. Bengal Gazette. The first English language newspaper published in India was Bengal Gazette, also known as the Hickey's Bengal Gazette or the Calcutta General Advertiser, founded by James Augustus Hickey in Calcutta in 1780. Question 13. Who is regarded as the mother of Indian Revolution? Correct answer is D. Madam Bhikaji Cama. Question 14. Which one of the following economists proposed the LPG model of economic development in India? Correct answer is C. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Question 15. The image of Nataraj, the Lord of Dance, is a superb masterpiece of the period of. Correct answer is B. Chola. Question 16. Vande Mataram, the national song, was a part of. Correct answer is B. Anandamath. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay wrote the national song, Vande Mataram, which was a part of his novel Anandamath. Question 17. Which article of the Constitution of India safeguards one's right to marry the person of one's choice? Correct answer is B. Article 21. Question 18. The National Award for Child Welfare was instituted in the year. Correct answer is B. 1979 AD. Question 19. The largest mangrove forest in India is. Correct answer is B. Sundarbans. Question 20. Which article is related to the State Election Commission? Correct answer is C. Article 243K. Question 21. In which part of India do the Himalayas lie from southwest to northwest direction? Correct answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 22. Gir forests are located in. Correct answer is C. Gujarat. Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, also known as Shasan Gir, is a forest, national park, and wildlife sanctuary near Talala Gir in Gujarat, India. Question 23. Who decides the allotment of symbols to political parties? Correct answer is B. Election Commission. Question 24. In which year was the right to education acknowledged as a fundamental right under Article 21A? Correct answer is C. 2002. Question 25. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the institution of Panchayati Raj? Correct answer is B. Article 40. Question 26. Madhubani, a style of folk paintings, is popular in which of the following state in India? Correct answer is A. Bihar. Question 27. Which voting system is used in Indian general elections? Correct answer is A. First past the post. Question 28. Who is the law officer of Government of India? Correct answer is C. Attorney General of India. Article 76 of the Constitution provides for the office of Attorney General of India. Question 29. Finance Commission is constituted after every. Correct answer is B. 5 years. Question 30. During which 5-year plan did India opt for a mixed economy? Correct answer is B. Second 5-year plan. Question 31. The economist who for the first time scientifically determined national income in India. Correct answer is B. V.K.R.V. Rao. Question 32. Which city is called 0 Mile Center because of its location on India's geographic center? Correct answer is A. Nagpur. Question 33. According to the paragraph, which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the concept of welfare state? Correct answer is D. Directive Principles of State Policy. Question 34. What was the central theme of the Chipko movement started by Sundarlal Bahuguna in 1973? Correct answer is A. Conservation of forests. Question 35. What is the full form of NITI with respect to Niti Aayog? Correct answer is B. National Institution for Transforming India. Question 36. Which one of the following is not a component of revenue receipts of the Union government? Correct answer is C. Disinvestment receipts.